In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order wholesale goods directly from Chinese factories on 1688. We'll start by getting you onto the platform. Head to 1688.com or download the 1688 mobile app. Create an account by selecting Sign Up or Register, then choose the method that works for you, such as using your phone number, an existing Alibaba account, or a WeChat login. Make sure you complete the verification step so your account is fully activated and ready to use. Because 1688 is primarily in Chinese, enable translation from the beginning. On desktop, turn on Auto Translate in Google Chrome. On mobile, the Google Translate app or a screen translation tool is extremely helpful. This small setup will make product listings, specifications, and supplier chats much easier to understand. Next, search for what you want to source. Type the product name into the search bar, or use the image search feature by uploading a photo of a product you like. Explore the results, open multiple listings, and compare pricing, variations, and minimum order quantities across different suppliers. When you find potential matches, evaluate supplier reliability carefully. Look for high ratings and positive reviews, a factory or manufacturer badge, years of operation, sales volume, and verified supplier status. Factories typically offer better wholesale pricing and more control over customization, so prioritize them when possible. Now it's time to reach out. Click Chat. Now to message the supplier, ask about pricing and available discounts, the minimum order quantity, customization options like colors, materials, or packaging, shipping methods, and production time. Keep your messages concise and clear, and consider adding a translated Chinese version to improve response quality. Negotiation is expected. Discuss bulk discounts, custom packaging, lead times, and shipping costs. Be specific about your target quantity and timeline, and stay polite and professional to build a good working relationship. Before placing a large order, request a sample. Pay any sample fee if needed, and use this to check quality, materials, fit and finish, functionality, and packaging. This step helps you avoid costly mistakes later. Once satisfied, confirm the order details with the supplier. Select your quantities and variations, add the product to your cart, or create an order, and review all pricing and shipping terms before you proceed. For payment, you'll typically see options like Alipay, bank transfer, international payment services, or the 1688 secured payment system. Always pay through the platform for buyer protection and keep all communication and agreements documented. Arrange shipping in the way that suits your order size and budget. You can use supplier arranged shipping, a freight forwarder, a sourcing agent, or an international courier such as DHL or FedEx. Freight forwarders are often more economical for bulk shipments. Finally, track your order using the provided tracking number, monitor transit updates, and confirm receipt on arrival. Inspect your goods promptly and report any issues through the platform within the stated time frame.